Happy Sunday to everybody. I hope you guys had a good Sunday. I hope you went to church. I did. I just came back and I'm looking all glammed up. You guys, I was supposed to speak to you guys before I left for church, but I completely forgot. Like, I didn't even remember. It was when I was on my way that I was like, oh my god, I didn't even say anything to the vlog. So welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to, this was supposed to be like a weekend vlog, and it will still be a weekend vlog, but I think I will like move it to Monday so that it will be a bit longer. Or I don't know, Sha. Anyways, we're going to see how it goes. You guys, oh my god, you guys, the last vlog that I posted on Friday, Friday, Thursday, either Thursday or Friday. Oh my god, you guys, it's that vlog up. You guys, I'm so happy. Oh my god, that vlog did so well, and I'm so thankful to God about that. A lot of you guys commented. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog the way you enjoyed the last vlog. Yeah, yesterday, which was Saturday, I was supposed to film a long, like it was supposed to be a long vlog, but I only filmed me making breakfast for me and my friend Mesomad, which was yam, potato, and egg sauce. So you guys are going to see that. But today I went to church, I went to CCI. It was so beautiful. You guys, they thought, oh my god, they thought about us being the salt of the earth, and the way they explained it was so different from anything I have heard before. Like, it was so beautiful. Church was nice. I went for third service, which was the last service, and we just closed like 30 minutes ago. So going from church to my house is quite far. That's why it took a lot of time. But yeah, that was how everything went. What else? Okay, you guys, I want to show you my outfit. My outfit is so beautiful. Let me place you guys and show you what my outfit looks like. You guys see my outfit? It's so gorgeous. Okay guys, so also on my way coming back from church, I stopped at this EFG supermarket to get a couple of things that I really needed. So yeah, this is the bag. So the first thing I got is this banga extract, palm fruit extract, if you want to call it that. Anyways, I've been craving banga rice, banga soup, so I just got it because honestly, I'm not in the mood to pound anything, and you know what they say, work smart, no hard. So yeah, I got this. I also got 2 notebooks because I really needed them. I got this purple one and this blue one. You guys know, like, I have to get purple if I see purple because purple is my favorite color. I love it so much and it's so pretty. Anyways, I got this book. I don't know if I told you guys, but yeah, I said it in my last class, that in my last vlog, that I have a side training that I'm doing. So the side training is basically like a HRA program and a HSC program, which I'm going to get certificates for after a year, which is after like NYC ends. So yeah, it started last week, and I did not, like, I've not opened, like, it was overwhelming, so I was not able to like read for it and everything. But this week I just thought about it, like, they're going to add more stuff, which is going to be double the amount of stuff I have to read and write. So I just decided to get notebooks and start the reading process. So yeah, these are the beautiful notebooks I got. And then the last things I got are these 3. I got 2 spices for the banga stew, just these 2 spices, and then I got sparkly for my walls because I have like a, what they call them, those printed decorative papers I got from my sister to put on my walls. I actually put it on yesterday, but it fell out because the stickers that they gave me were not strong, so I got spaghetti to hold it. So yeah, those are the things I got from the mall. I'll see you guys when I'm about to put on the stickers, or when I'm done putting on the stickers, to show you guys what it looks like in this. See you later. Bye. Hi guys, I hope you can see me, but I've rested for a while and I just want to do the wall decor that I told you guys about. So these are some of the pictures, and these are what like it looks like. Something like this is very 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 little, but the plan is that when I put these ones on this wall here, tomorrow when I go to work, I'm going to print out some pictures from Pinterest, and then I'll put like 2 here and then 4 on this walkway, because it's quite long and it's bare and I don't like it. So I'm going to put like some pictures on it. I was thinking of getting picture frames, but I just feel like it's too excessive, because I don't know, I just feel like I'm doing too much. That means I have to now get like 5 frames here and then 2 frames. That's 7 frames. Like, I feel like it's too much. I can just use paper and it will look pretty good. What do you guys think? Leave your suggestion in the comment section. But let me do this very quickly and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah. Hi guys. So this is what the decor is looking like right now. I don't think it's giving on the camera. I don't know why, but it looks so pretty in person, but in the camera it's just looking like I just attached something to the wall. But yeah, this is it. It just has like pictures and quotes, and yeah, that's it. Hi guys, so I want to end the vlog here. I don't really know if the vlog is long enough, but I just want to end it here so that it can be a weekend vlog. But before I end this, like I said in my last vlog, I'm going to give you guys a quote that I feel like has stuck with me. And the reason I'm picking this quote for today is because last vlog I actually mentioned something like this in passing, but in today's church service the pastor spoke on it. He like just said it in passing too. I felt like it was a sign for me to also say it in this vlog. Maybe it can speak to somebody, or somebody needs to hear this. So in my last vlog I was saying something like, I want to do more, put more effort in my YouTube channel, because the Bible says that whatever you do, you should do it well. And when the pastor was teaching today, he also mentioned something while teaching us about us being the salt of the earth, and he was like, we are the salt of the earth, not the salt of, let's say, Nigeria as a country, or the salt of our family, or the salt of the job that we do, or the salt. We are the salt of all those things, but we are the salt of the earth, meaning that what God has brought us to do on this, what God has brought us to do basically is not limited. It is wild enough to encompass the earth. Like, do you get, the world is supposed to hear your voice. It's supposed to see the glory that God has put into you. It's supposed to see the grace that God has put into you. Your purpose in life is more than just your job, or is more than just your family, or is more than just your church. He was even saying something like, your purpose is not limited to the 4 corners of the church. Do you get? So it's for the earth and the world to see it. So basically he said this, let me just read it for you. He said, your work, which is your job basically, whatever you do, is it content creation, are you a lawyer, are you a doctor, are you a nurse, are you anything? He said that your job is a form, an expression of worship. So do it well, and do it like it is being consumed by kings and queens. Do you get? So he's basically just saying that if you do content creation, you should not just put out videos for putting sake. You should do it, put out videos, do it well, and tell yourself that the people that are watching it are queens and kings. Do you get? Imagine if the president is watching your video. So you make it like that. You should see your followers or your subscribers as kings and queens, and you do the videos like your videos are being consumed by kings and queens. The same thing with whatever you do. If you're a doctor, you should behave like your patients are kings and queens. You should treat them like that. So basically that is the quote for today. Let me read it again in case you guys did not get it. Your work is a form, an expression of worship. So do it well and do it like it is being conjured by kings and queen. I'll also put it on the screen for you guys to see. Anyways, that is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, send to your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.